Henan Hangnei Engine Machinery Company Limited is a modern professional enterprise engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, sale, and service of automotive engines and auto parts. Located in Zhengzhou, the middle of China, the headquarters covers about 14,846 square meters and enjoys convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Hangnei Engine owns an experienced service team, offering the customer-free design and professional skill training, and live guide for installation and debugging. The company's service networks have spread all over the country, established client files, and mixed the traditional door-to-door service with online service together, complementary the advantages. Hangnei Engine has won high recognition from clients. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members always ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have got ISO 9001 certification. The company products remain the international high level by strengthening international exchanges and cooperation all the time, and have won a wide range of international market, such as Russia, Peru, Kazakhstan, Turkey, Kuwait, South Africa, Egypt, Vietnam, Malaysia, India, Australia, Korea, Canada, and European Union, etc. Hangnei Engine believes the value of brand, which originates from not only excellent products and solutions, but also considerate pre-sales and after-sales technical services. We can undertake both OEM and ODM orders. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us for further success.